threw an 873 on the ground. I can't believe I threw a 73 on the ground. I had everything scarred when we first got there. And I was like, okay, you're gonna play. I was pushing there. I was like,
I used the force without like control and stuff.
threw on the ground a couple times. So, I was like, alright, let's wrestle, girl. Let's wrestle. Right on the ground, all that stuff. Got her cuffed up. Ready? What? This is great.
I hate it.
I love it.
I hate it.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today is a follow-up from yesterday's video, in which we dissected the arrest of Keiran Garner. If you haven't seen that video, click the card above or the link down below to catch up. While I was working on putting out that story, the Life and Liberty Law Office, Keiran's legal team, released CCTV footage from the holding area. It shows the level of corruption within the Loveland Police Department, how purely evil the 3 officers involved are, and how comfortable and normal it is in police culture to abuse the powerless and vulnerable. As you know by now, 73-year-old Keiran Garner suffers from dementia and sensory aphasia. She was brutally thrown to the ground multiple times and had her arms twisted and wrenched into positions that caused her arm to break and dislocate her shoulder. My last video ended as they booked her and left her handcuffed to a bench in a holding cell for 2 hours while suffering from her injuries, later transferring her to a jail, reporting that she had none. During that 2-hour period, just 10 feet away, the officers celebrated their actions while reviewing the body cam footage. Some of the audio is difficult to understand. If you think you can hear something that the subtitles didn't pick up, please timestamp it in the comments with your suggestions. Defendant Hop ensures that Defendant Jalali has turned off her body cam and then admits that he thought he broke her shoulder after fist bumping his fellow assailant, continuing on to describe the exact moment he realized he had injured Miss Garner.
How do you think that went?
Well, that went great.
You do?
Did you know? Apparently you did not.
No, I did.
I thought we were pretty good questions.
But every time I would try to jump in, like I got pushed off to the side, so I don't want you to think that I'm not acting.
I didn't think you were. I thought you were right in there the whole day. Did I push you off to the side? I'm very sorry. I didn't think attention. Oh, there's. Oh, I was trying to fit it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I just don't want you to think I was not playing.
You were definitely playing. You're a lot of help with you. She's just very flexible and very. I had everything scarred when we first got there. And I was like, okay, you're gonna play. I was pushing her. I was like, oh no.
This is gonna turn into something.
Yeah.
No doubt that's on the car that stuff. There's more than just that guy.
Here is further proof that all officers involved knew that she was injured and failed to provide her with medical care.
And I'll meet you guys down soon.
Cool, thanks.
You guys are okay?
Yep, we're good.
You're a little muddy, dude. I think we're doing
A
inspections.
little bloody and
tonight.
little muddy, that's how it works.
Yeah. Is the blood on her?
Yeah, that's our blood.
Officer Hop now admits that he failed to read Miss Garner her Miranda rights. It's been nearly a year since the incident, and Defendant Jalali and Defendant Metzler covered up for Hop's behavior the entire time.
I had him all calm down. And like, oh wait, I get it now. And then she was fighting still. Okay, hold that thought. I'll be right back.
You think she's born in 46?
She's ancient.
She told us.
She's 73. Yeah, I'm a little worried that it's like senile stuff.
She's her hands in the front and disconnected from the bench now?
She's just very flexible.
Stupid question, but I gotta ask. Do you read her Miranda?
$40. Coke, some body detergent, t-shirt, and cake.
Okay. And you're gonna write her that she's immune, Okay. Cool. Let me know when you got that too.
Cool. Thank you, sir. That dude was yelling at me on there, too, but I don't think that you were, but I don't know. And I was like, hey, you know what?
Meanwhile, I'm still fighting.
I know, I thought you were done.
No.
We closed the doors and you were still there. I was like, looking over like,
We didn't close the door.
I closed my door. We had her in the car.
You closed your door, but she still wasn't in on my side.
Oh, I told her. I'm sorry to that.
That's okay. That's why I called for another unit. I was like, hello?
I don't want this guy to act a fool and start jumping in. Oh, no, okay. Is that blue teamable?
Because didn't your boss say we'll talk later?
No.
I thought you heard.
No, he said, let me know when you're ready for the app later.
On scene, didn't you say we'll talk about it later?
Oh, I didn't know. Well, regardless, blue team or not, I use force.
The Blue Team is a computer-based reporting system used to track and document use of force, citizen complaints, and other substantial incidents, which are all supposed to be reviewed at each level of supervision. The video continues to show the officers laughing about their use of force.
So it's absolutely necessary. Can I use your hobble? Of course.
That's the first time I've gotten using it. Very excited. I was like, I was super excited.
What happened when you got up the thing? You was like, short start motion to say.
Yeah, we talked a little bit. But it's just so little. I was like, we're going to say, hey, I'm fighting. Have everyone in the city run code and brainstorm.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm fine. I can handle it. I mean, dogs. So, I was like, all right, let's wrestle, girl. Let's wrestle. Right on the ground, all that stuff. Got her cuffed up. That was eerie. And then I had her get the control when she showed up. And her, like, the cuff was like here on her hand. I'm like, oh.
She spit on you at all?
Nothing like that. She didn't want to come with us.
I used the force without, like, control and stuff.
Threw her on the ground a couple times.
Okay. Think we're gonna get a photo of her? Or no?
Yeah, send it down.
No, the mug.
We can hold her.
It's gonna be a great
Can you scroll up and tell me how old is she?
73. I think. 146. Hey? Wait, that's mine. 46.
Fine, thanks.
Did she text you at all?
I don't think so.
When you charge her down?
No. Okay.
If you thought it was bad so far, the officers watched the body cam footage, huddled up, laughing and celebrating their demonic actions against the 73-year-old woman. This is clear evidence that the thin blue line separates what they feel are the rulers and the ruled. What you are about to witness is weak, cowardly humans that commit some of the worst atrocities to mankind, then cover it up for each other, failing at every step to do the right thing, leeching off the American taxpayers, extorting us for funds to finance their disgraceful acts.
Yes.
It's like live TV.
The body cam show.
Body cams are my favorite thing to watch. I can watch live TV body cams all day.
Are you finished? We don't play this game. You understand me? If you try to kick me, don't give me that.
You come on nonchalantly. I'm here!
What? Are you finished? Ready? Good enough. love it.
I hate it.
Was I Sergeant? Yeah. Okay, well, first, I can tell you that. Sergeant Metzler, he's at the police department. You can go talk to him if you have an issue. Yeah, give me your card so I can put it in a report. Okay. I see if I is there how you throw the little kid. Little kid? No, I don't have a little kid. I see one just walking and I see you how you grab him. So from Walmart, and refuse to stop, refuse to listen to lawful orders, and to fight me. That's what happens when you fight the police. I have to use force to safely detain her. That's what this is. This isn't just some random act of aggression. I don't know if you realize that. Yeah, but the way that I see him more than anyone else like that. She's just like the whole time. And I'm like, that's it. The message came in. He's calling for a message. Who is your sergeant? Yeah, you missed my great explanation to that guy. Did you hear? Well, she's still fighting you in the back of the car.
Yeah. Hello.
My bad. You can see from the video, she was all the way in the car when I closed the door on my side. So I thought you were going to slam the door in her face.
I couldn't. Her legs were right there.
Oh shit. Go running back. I gotta deal with this. You hang tight, okay? You guys left me out your eye. I'm so sorry. I gotta go deal with that.
You tried to butt in when you butt in.
Dude, what are you doing? Get out of here. This is none of your business. That was great. That was tactful planning.
I'm very late. I have a tea party to go to.
A tea party?
No, but like Alice in Wonderland. She's like, I'm late for a tea party.
Very important to think.
I would say this is reasonable. Takes an action that results in or is alleged to have resulted in injury.
The full body cam of the arrest and this video can be viewed by using the links below. If this doesn't sicken you and rattle you to your core, there is something wrong with you. Eric Brandt was just sentenced to 12 years for words. Defendant Hogg got administrative leave. Defendants Jalali and Metzler were reassigned to administrative duty. The lawsuit is still pending, and I will keep you updated. The city of Loveland has vowed to protect the due process rights of its officers, but has yet to charge any of them. When they talk about due process, they're talking about whether or not they keep their jobs, not whether or not the officers will be charged. With as much evidence as we've seen over the past 2 weeks, any other citizen would have been indicted. There is more than enough probable cause. I suggest we start with elderly abuse, gross negligence, medical neglect, assault in the first degree, just to name a few. Let me know down below what you think they should be charged with.
What are you doing? Get out of here. This is not your business. Come on. What's that?
Where's your sergeant?
Huh? Who's my sergeant?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first, I can tell you that. Sergeant Metzler, he's at the police department. You can go talk to him if you have an issue.
Yeah, give me your card so I can put a report.
Okay.
I see you there, how you throw the little kid.
Little kid?
Well, I don't know
It's not
if
a little
it's a
kid. And this
he
is what happened.
He was just walking, and I see you how
She
you
just
grab him.
stole from Walmart and refused to stop, refused to listen to lawful orders, and to fight me. This is what happens when you fight the police. I have to use force to safely detain her. That's what this is. This isn't just some random act of aggression.
Oh, well,
I don't know if you realize that.
Yeah, well, the way that I see it from over there, you know, I was like, that's not...
But you see, you don't know the whole situation. That's the thing.
Yeah, you know, but it's like...
But knowing the situation, do you feel differently now?
Oh, yeah. But
That's
you know,
it.
like seeing it from there, that guy just walking.
Yeah, I get
you
that.
know.
I get that. So when I went to go grab her and talk to her, she started running, leaving, pulling away from me, trying to fight me.
Well, that's the thing. I didn't see it running, you know.
Exactly. So before you go to a snap judgment, you gotta get all the facts.
But right here, she wasn't running.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.